Hello my dear crafters, so this is the last tutorial for my Valentine's 2024 series, and I would really love and I would appreciate if you let me know which one of that. I believe I had 7 projects, and let me know which one was your favorite, because it's your feedback is very important to me. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn, and like the lollipop holder, this one you can make with kids too. They will love to do this together with you. So it's one of those great things that you can get together with a bunch of your grandkids or your kids of your own and have some fun together. Very easy, very quick to make. So thank you so much for watching my series. Do let me know which one was your favorite, and let's move to the tutorial. So you're going to need a piece of paper that is 5 3/4 by 2 3/4, and we are going to score it. Let me zoom in so that you see better. So we're going to score it at 1/4 of an inch right here on the left. 1 1/4, 1 1/2, and 2 1/2. Then we're going to turn it and just score here at 1/4. That's all the scoring done. And here's what we're gonna do. Let's burnish the scoring lines first. Gonna get my scoring, my bond folder, so just burnish the scoring lines because it makes it easier for you to see what you're doing. Then here, so let me just zoom out a little bit. So we have this part here is going to be the bottom, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to cut this out here, this little square, and we're actually going to cut this at an angle just to make it easier. So there, you cut here and you cut there, and here this little square here you're gonna cut up to the scoring line. Same thing here, and that's all you need to do. And what we're going to do is we're going to first glue the inside part here. The best way to do this is to actually just fold it like this. Put some glue on the side here, so let's do that. It's very cold here, so my glue is kind of funny today. It's not working that well, so I'm gonna put a lot of glue just because it's very cold. And glue, they actually are very weather sensitive. I only learned that after I started crafting. So that's the best way. Just press it down, and we're going to use your bone folder to make sure that it's dry. And there you go. We have our little box, and all we need to do now is close. I'm just gonna press it to the other side to make sure. There you go. I need some glue here, I guess. There's a little bit of a part here that doesn't have enough glue. So there you go. So you're going to look at, this is the part that shows the paper, so that's not the front, that's going to be the back, which means that this flap here is going to be the last one to fold in. It's very easy, just fold in the little flaps, put some glue, and we're going to fold it in like this, because the last one will be the front, because you don't want it to show. So just hold it. I'm just going to use my bone folder to press it down a little bit. And now just put some glue on the last flap here. Very easy, wasn't it? So there you go. I'm going to press it down too, to make sure we're done. So we have a little box for the pencils, and we're going to decorate now. So I have this sticker page. It's from Echo Park, and it's called My Valentine. So it's a sticker page. I'm just gonna get this strip here off, and I love this sticker page here because it's very, very strong, and it's almost like a chipboard because it's very, very thick. So we're just going to use that. I'm gonna press it from the inside. I just put my, this is what I do. I put my bone folder inside, and I just press it down just to make sure that it's all glued. I'm gonna cut out the excess. Very easy. I'm going to do a very easy decoration here. And I have this little paper bowl, and we're going to put it there, and we'll be done. But you can use whatever you have at home, or your ephemera. You can use, like I did on the other ones, I used some twine. So that's that. Look, very simple. Now we are going to put in our pencils. My husband, I don't know if you can hear it, but he's outside shoveling snow. Honestly, guys, I'm not a big fan of snow. For a Brazilian, it's kind of scary. So anyway, there you are. This is the new one that I made. Let's get the other ones so that you see. I'm gonna zoom out. 1, 2, 3. I love this one with this little envelope here. And 4. Easy to make, wasn't it? All the measurements are below. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is the last video of my Valentine's 2024 series. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do let me know, now that you've watched the last one, which one was your favorite. I really would love to have your feedback, because it helps me plan for next year. I know what you like best, and that's what I'm here to do. You know, I have a lot of fun, but if you don't like it, it doesn't really make sense, does it? So thank you so much for spending your time. I hope you got to make a lot of Valentine's gifts this year, and I'll keep on going. Now I think my next thing is spring, so there'll be a lot of flowers coming up and a lot of cute projects for you. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.